This is the water inlet. You have to open this and pour water inside, and once you keep on pouring the water indicator level will increase, and you find already this tank is half filled, so the indicator is level is at half. So this is the water indicator level. This is the pressure level. Since we already started the machine and checked, the indicator level is at 10, and these are the nozzles to take the steam. There are two nozzles, and for each nozzle I have one individual switch. And now you have to pour the water from this nozzle. And as I said, once you keep on pouring the water, this is the water indicator level of the tank. So this should be full. And now after pouring the water only, you have to turn on the machine. Without putting the water, you should not turn on the machine. So once the pressure is there full inside the machine, you will have this pop-up signal coming at the top, right? So that is the indicator level which is showing the sound. That means the pressure is full now. உள்ள போட்டு ஸ்டீமிங் ஃபுல்லாக இமர்ஸ் பண்ணாரு உள்ள பால் உள்ள இருக்கணும் அது ஆன் பண்ணு